Welcome. If you're looking to stop receiving messages from your followers on Pinterest, you've come to the right place. Whether you want to minimize distractions or just keep your inbox clear, Pinterest makes it easy to control who can send you messages. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to adjust your message settings so that followers can no longer send you messages. First, open the Pinterest app on your device. Once you're in, head over to your profile by tapping on your profile picture located at the top of the screen. This will take you to your personal Pinterest space where you manage your pins, boards, and settings. Next, look for the option called Social Permissions. This section is where Pinterest lets you customize how you interact with other users, including who can message you. Tap on Social Permissions to open it. Inside the Social Permissions menu, you'll find Message Settings. Tap on this to see the different options for managing your messages. This is where you can decide who gets to send you messages and who doesn't. Now, you'll see a list of options for message delivery. Find the one labeled Followers. This controls whether your followers can send you messages. To stop receiving messages from them, simply choose the option that says Don't Deliver. Selecting this will prevent any messages from your followers from reaching your inbox. And that's it. You've successfully updated your Pinterest message settings to stop receiving messages from followers. This simple change helps you maintain your privacy and keeps your messaging experience more manageable. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you change your mind or want to adjust who can contact you on Pinterest. Managing your social permissions is a great way to tailor your online experience to your preferences. Thanks for watching and enjoy a more peaceful Pinterest experience.